In this video, I'll guide you through how to search direct flights on Google Flights, whether you're trying to save time, avoid layovers, or just make your trip as simple as possible. Knowing how to filter for non-stop routes will make planning a lot easier. I'll walk you through the full process from opening Google Flights to viewing only the direct options, and I'll explain what you're seeing on the screen so it all feels intuitive. First, open your web browser and go to Google Flights. You can do this by typing Google Flights into the search bar and clicking the official result, or by going directly to the Google Flights page if you already know the address. When the page loads, you'll see a simple booking interface with fields for departure and destination cities, travel dates, number of passengers, and cabin class. Start by entering the basics of your trip. Click into the departure field and type the city or airport you're flying from, then do the same for your destination. Choose your travel dates using the calendar that pops up and adjust the number of travelers and the class like economy or business if you need to. Once everything looks right, confirm your selections so Google Flights can search for available options. After a brief moment, you'll see a list of flights that match your search. By default, Google Flights usually shows you a mix of non-stop flights and flights with one or more stops. Since we only want direct routes, the next step is to open the filter that controls how many stops are allowed on your journey. Look above the list of flight results for the row of filter options. You should see things like bags, price, times, airlines, and one labeled stops. Click on the stops filter to open it. This panel lets you refine your results based on whether you're okay with layovers or you only want flights that go straight from your departure airport to your destination. Inside the stops filter, you'll see choices such as any number of stops, one stop or fewer, and non-stop. Select the option that says non-stop only. This tells Google Flights to hide any itineraries that include layovers and to show you just the direct flights for the route and dates you've chosen. If there's a checkbox or toggle next to non-stop, make sure it's turned on and that the other options are not selected. Once you've selected non-stop only, close the filter panel if it doesn't close automatically. The flight list will refresh and now you should be looking only at direct flights. Take a moment to scan through the results. Each option should show a single flight segment with no additional airports listed in between your departure and arrival cities, and the total travel time should generally be shorter than itineraries with stops. From here, you can compare departure times, airlines, prices, and durations, knowing that every option you're seeing is a non-stop flight. If you change your dates or destination later, remember that the non-stop filter may stay active, so your new results will also show only direct routes unless you go back into the stops filter and adjust it. That's it. You've now learned how to search direct flights on Google Flights by opening the stops filter, selecting non-stop only, and viewing just the non-stop options for your trip.